Hey, it's Yay for Yarn, and today I'm unboxing the February 2021 Knit Crate. Alright, so my Knit Crate came in the mail, and this month is a little bit different because they weren't able to get the yarn they had planned for February shipped in February with all these shipping delays and everything. So they actually swapped the February yarn with the March yarn. So the yarn in this crate was originally supposed to be for March, but they had to switch it to the February crate and switch the February yarn to the March crate. So what is now the February yarn was originally planned for March, and we will get what was planned for February in the March crate. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Alrighty. So this is the yarn. This is Audine Wool's Calm. I don't think I've ever tried this one before. And this is 80% wool, 10% silk, and 10% mohair, and it's DK weight. So the colorway that I got is kind of like a deep blue. It has some slight hints of purple in it and some slight variations of color. It's not a solid. It's kind of like a mix of colors, but they're not like variegated either. There's just like subtle differences in the shade that kind of blend together throughout the strand. This is really pretty. Yeah, I can see some little subtle hints of purple in there, some slight more teal tones. And of course this yarn, because of the mohair, has a few little fuzzy strands sticking out and a little bit of surface fuzz to it. But this yarn feels very soft and squishy and smooth. Not one bit of itchiness to it at all. Very, very nice quality yarn. And I really like the fiber content too. So definitely very happy with the yarn. I love the feel of this. And then here is our extra, which is a measuring tape, a retractable measuring tape. Where you push the button and it rolls itself back up, and then it looks like, if you take off the zip tie, it looks like it's like on a cord where you can wear it as a necklace if you want to. But that could be also pretty handy if you wanted to tie it to something, tie it to the inside of your bag or whatever, so that you don't lose it. So that's pretty handy. Can never have too many measuring tapes. And the theme for February, of course this was originally the theme for March, but it is now for February, is Unwind. And of course, all of the patterns that come with this crate are available as a digital download if you have the eco-friendly membership. So the eco-friendly crate, which is the one that I get, comes in a biodegradable mailer, and the patterns come in a digital download booklet instead of a printed booklet. If you do have the traditional style crate with the cardboard box, then you will be getting the printed booklet with your patterns in it. But there are several patterns made for this yarn in the booklet. So I am definitely very happy with this yarn. I love the way that this feels. It is so smooth and squishy and luxurious, and it just has a really nice high-end look to it. So thanks so much to Knit Crate for sending me this crate to review. If you'd like to try your own Knit Crate subscription, then you can do so by visiting the link in the description box down below. And you can use the coupon code YAYFORYARN20 to get 20% off of your first crate. Now, normally without all of these shipping delays that everybody is experiencing, we would normally receive the February crate during the month of February, where that by the time I was able to review it, you would still be able to order the crate with the February yarn. But because of all the shipping delays, and since the month of February is already over, if you sign up for a Knit Crate subscription, then you will be getting the March crate as your subscription crate. But I am definitely very happy with this crate, and I think that it is a great subscription for anybody that likes to play with different types of yarn, different hand-dyed textures or variegated tonals. There's just so many different varieties of yarn that you get in this subscription, and of course you can always pick which of the 3 colorways for the month that you want. So you don't ever have to worry about getting something you don't like. And if there's, for any reason, you don't want any of the yarns for the month, you can always skip a month and just not get that crate if you don't want to. So you don't have to worry about getting something that you don't like, and you do get a whole bunch of different types of squishy luxury yarn. They're always hand dyed, they're always really soft and smooth and nice quality, and it's a pretty good deal for what you get compared to if you bought comparable hand dyed yarns with similar fiber content on some kind of luxury yarn shop online. I personally have been getting this subscription for a couple years now, and I've never really been disappointed or disliked any of the yarns that I have received. So I would definitely recommend this if you would like to try out some really nice squishy yarn. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you've ever tried a Knit Crate subscription in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, making sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.